Hey guys, how you doing? It's your girl, Miss Debs. I'm coming to you today from here in my kitchen, Orange, New Jersey, giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because you know He's worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day. Wouldn't you guys agree? I'm sitting down, guys, as you can see me. Got my foot up on the bench because God is awesome, and I just want to thank Him for giving me my life, health, and strength, for letting the blood flow through my veins, for letting the breath go in my lungs, for giving me a mind to think. Even though since COVID, I have a little fog brain. I guess you guys check it out sometime when I'm doing these videos. But anyway, today I'm coming to you not so much as a haul, but things that I have accumulated. So like toiletries and cleaning supplies. So being that I was in that spring cleaning organizing mode, I said, well, let me share this with you because, I love to see people do hauls. And I noticed a lot of you were coming on my channel and you were saying, oh, Miss Debs, you got a lot of goodies. And I love to see hauls because I'm nosy. And I like to see things that other people have, even from other parts of the world that I don't have. So with that being said, I've been like this all my life. This is not a showboating thing for YouTube because I was doing this before I even know about YouTube. But now since I am on YouTube and I'm a woman now that's not working at the moment, I'm disabled, I'm on a fixed income. So it's kind of hard for me to always keep ripping and running and renting, going to try to get a bargain, and to just go out running all the time when you run out of supplies at home. So my question to you today is, ladies, do you sometimes run out of things? And like whether it's a bar of soap, feminine products, tissue, dish detergent, sprays for your house, or whatever, and you be like, wow, I don't have it, I don't have the funds to get it, because I've been in that predicament many a times, even when I was working, not so much when I was working, but you do run out of things, that's a given. But I'm the type of woman, I like to prepare my household. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to show you some things that I accumulated, and I have a video coming out tomorrow, because you guys seem to like my organization, spring cleaning, little videos that I'm putting out. So this is a part of it, right? So this is just some things, that maybe this will give you an idea. Like I said, I'm nosy. I love to go to people's channels and look at hauls, whether it's a food haul, cleaning supplies haul, or clothing haul. I love to look at different people things and it give you an idea of what you want, or what you might try out, right? So let's get this started, guys. I'm not going to say that again. Okay, so like I said, though, I do have that video coming out tomorrow where I'm cleaning out my kitchen drawers. So I also have a junk drawer, and I said at the end of the video, everybody has a junk drawer. That's going to stay the junk drawer. And true, I stayed to that word. That is my junk drawer. But I did clean it out. So I want you guys to take a look at that at the end of this video. Here we go. Now, when I said sometimes you look at people's channel and they're from another part of the world, this takes me to my fairy wash up liquid, or dish detergent as we call it here in the States. So I just racked up on some of those from that British Delight place that I order my certain things from that I like. So we got some fairy liquids over there. We have clean and fresh, regular, original, the lemon kind, and then we have the green. Now, all my dish detergents over here, I don't want to fall. I keep all my stuff in containers. Okay, so back here, being that we started off that with the dish detergent, we're going to do these. I have big Ajax here. Then we have a couple of the Dawn's, the antibacterial ones. Got like 3 of those. All those are, apple, and it's another fragrance. Then I have the Dawn Platinum. Then I have Dawn again here, all the Gain dish detergents. Then I have the Dawn Easy Squeeze here. Got like 2 of those. Then I have the Real Simple All-Purpose Cleaner. We have 2 of those. Then I have the Ajax, some more Ajax over here. Some of these came from the Dollar Tree. Then over here, Okay, so I was saying we have the Mr. Clean Eraser. We have two things of Fabuloso. We have some Myers multi-surface cleaner back there. Then we have another Fabuloso. Then we have the Dawn Power Wash. I have like 3 of those. Then we have a Game Power Blast. Then over here I have some Lysol wipes. Back there, Clorox wipes. Then over here we have some Glass Plus, and you've seen some of this in a haul. Glass Plus, Dawn. Then we have here Mr. Clean wipes again. Then we have some more Clorox wipes. We have some Lysol here. Then we have some Scrubbing Bubbles Bath Time Grime Fighter. Then we have some Lysol wipes. We have some Cottonelle Flushable Toilet Wipes. Then we have the big thing of Clorox over there. We have 3 of the Scrubbing Bubbles. I have the fresh gel. I like to put that in the toilet. Then we have a big thing of Comet Ajax. Then we have just some Essential Oil plugins. I have a Homeline brand. And then I have Airwick, and I have another Vibrant Airwick, which is 2 times more supposedly to smell. Then we have a Wizard Spray. We have the Wizard Carpet Pet odor deodorizer, because we have Luna downstairs and she's up here a lot. Then we have the Febreze back here, the spray for like fabric for the couches and stuff like that, chairs. So we got 2 of those. Then I have the odor bands. These come from the dollar store, and that's when you use in the bathroom, gives it a nice fresh smell. I have Glades going all the way back, the Glade deodorizers that you put in the bathroom, the gels. Then I have hand soap back here. We have all types of Dial antibacteria. Then we have Vanilla Honey. Another one, another big Dial. This is the foam one. And then there's a blue one back there. There's another Glade gel deodorizer. Then here we have some more hand wash. This was in a haul. This is Rich Moisturizer Caring Hand Wash. Then we have a Dove hand wash. We have Alba, 2 of those, a lemon one and a floral one. Then we have some Glade spray here. They go into the little canisters, you know, the things that you plug in. Then we have here some more Glade. Then we have Glades going all the way in the back. Then we have all different fragrances. Then we have Airwick, Linen Fresh Water, Fresh Linen. Then we have some more Glades. Then we have Febreze Downy Spray back there. That's the 2-pack. Then we have some Febreze Lenore. Then we have another Lenore, the sprays. Then we have some more little Glades right here. Then we have some hand sanitizer. Then we have a Wizard Room Mist. Then we have I showed you the Wizard Carpet and Room Deodorizer. Then we have the Plaque mouthwash. Then we have a Listerine one. Then we have another Listerine one. We have another big Listerine right there. Guys, this is just some ideas to show you a woman that prepares her household. Oh, we have a Brillo dish spray right there. And I have some things in the pantry where you guys see most of the pantry stuff. So this is just the idea to show you to keep your house stocked up, like, you know, for the spring, so you don't have to be running out all the time. And in the economy we live in today, everybody, I know I am, like I said, I'm on a fixed income, so I don't have the funds all the time to run out and go get things. So I try to prepare my house. You know, sometimes even though I had the surgery on the left leg, I'm getting ready to get it on the right leg. And that leg gives out on me sometime. And then, you know, with the different illnesses with my back and my neck and the nerve damage, I don't like ripping and running all the time. If I have it here and it's convenient for me. Oh, and these are some Scrubbing Bubbles drop-ins for your toilet tank. And that's the Magic Eraser. So I'm just letting you see the things now. I told you I was going to show you the drawer, because you'll see the video tomorrow where I cranked out the drawer. And this is the junk drawer. And I said I wasn't going to clean out the junk drawer, because what was the purpose of it being a junk drawer if you're going to clean it out? But this is how I got it over here. I have all my wires to different, like my skillets that I plug in and my hot pot. Then I have my tapes here, contact paper. This is all my parchment paper for when I'm making cakes and baking. I have them all in there. Then I have my rolling pin, different utensils that I need for the backyard, like the barbecue brush, the flippers, you know, the spatulas, the tongues to pick up your stuff off the grill, more spatulas. And then we have different things under there. Then I have all my flashlights there. I have the pliers, the grips, all my screwdrivers, pumpkin carver, cutting things right there. In here I put all my little tabs and the little thumbnail pushers, and all my Allen wrenches are there. And then I have all nails and screws and stuff in here. That's why I like to buy these little bags from the dollar store. They are so cheap, $1.25, and you can keep little miscellaneous things in, so you won't have them hanging all over the place. I just wanted to show you that, guys. It's a junk drawer, but it's no longer a junky junk. There I go again with this junk drawer. So thank you guys for joining me. Just trying to ask you ladies, and you men also, do you prepare your house like that as well? Do you think it's neurotic to do this? You know, everybody has their own opinion, and this is what works for me. I hate to run out of things, and I don't have the funds to go get them. So I like to keep the house stocked up. I keep things in my stock pantry, food pantry. I already showed you that. And these are things that I keep in like containers besides the bleach. That's going to go back in the food pantry. But I keep things in containers. And I just try to be stocked and organized, because you never know. I never would have thought I wasn't going to be working, guys, and I was going to have to be home depending on a monthly check. But that's how it is now. And I thank God that I was able to enjoy some of my life without, you know, breaking my neck to get to work and working all my life. Now my body is kind of like repeating on it, you know, like breaking down. So, but I'm running to doctors. I'm getting things, you know, taken care of. So anyway, this is just a suggestion. I'm not here to throw anything down anybody's face. I'm not a hoarder. I like preparing my household. Can anyone relate to this? Do you do this? Thank you so much. Maybe you see some things here on the table that you was like, wow, I'm gonna try that, you know. Thank you guys. Leave me the comments, because you know your girl love the comments. God bless you. May heaven smile down upon you. Stay safe, stay well, put God first, and all else will fall into place.